As you can tell, we are in the car driving.
55 of you.
I hope you guys can see both of us. Yes. Xavier is driving. She's still learning. So
get ready to be whipped.
Occasionally have to yell obscenities to her. No, I'm just kidding. She's a good driver.
I'm not bad.
No, she's pretty good.
I have my moments though.
There are some moments.
But hey, what's life without a little bit of near death?
Fear.
Yeah.
So one of the funniest things was her hopping the curb at CVS.
And then almost crashing into a pole in the same CVS.
Yeah, so we don't go to CVS anymore because we've had too many near-death experiences there.
We almost ran into the ditch as Bushes, Mom.
I did almost run into the ditch the other day at Bushes. But, you know, we're not talking about me. Okay?
Yeah, we are.
We're talking about you.
We're talking about experience, and we're not sharing them.
No, I don't want to share any of my death experiences when I was at fault for driving. We're talking about you. But anyway, yeah, so we're going to run some errands today. Try to get her some fish.
Oh,
we
it's
have
a New York plate.
Fish tanks in our house, and we got her fish for Christmas, and they have died. We don't know what's going on. We're not new to this, so we're going to go try to get some more fish.
They're little. I think that's why. They're too little for the tank.
Yeah. And she just looks so majestic over there driving. So serious.
I'm trying not to crash.
Yeah, let's not crash.
Ambulam.
Oh my God. Calm the hell down.
It's weird because you don't feel it in the driver's seat.
Don't feel what?
I don't know.
Oh, they're flipping back and forth? Yes, you do.
Your change makes it sound like I'm literally...
You are being aggressive.
Let me be aggressive.
I have $25,000 worth of change. You know how heavy it is, so you to be slamming on the brakes.
That's the only thing making
noise, though. And accelerating so hard that the change jar moves.
The change jar is a liar.
The change jar weighs like 18 pounds.
It's not, no. It's a liar.
And my neck is doing all this. Okay, so we're in the pet store. We're looking at fish. And I just touched the little tank thing and it like squeaked.
It sounded like a dog and I'm anxious now.
She thought a dog was attacking. She like ripped her arm away. It was like...
You hear that? Because in our clinic, the things are like... The walkways are thick, so the dogs can easily reach out and touch you, along with the cats. So if you hear some,
so she's all traumatized from working at the vet clinic now. She thinks animals are attacking her at all times. It's hilarious.
The little ones are the meanest. The little dogs there, a lot of the time, are the meanest because everybody thinks, oh, they bite. It's cute. It's not cute when it's not cute. Trying to give them food.
Okay, so we're here looking for fish. I don't think they have any angelfish though. Those are the ones we're looking for.
Blue tongue skink. Look at him like
He's like, why are you recording me?
It's like, ugh. Don't look at me. Is that better?
Yes, that
Gently
was better.
accelerating.
My neck didn't fucking break.
You be doing that sometimes
I don't, you know what? I'm not learning how to drive though. I do it on purpose.
You don't even deny it.
You're doing it not on purpose. You need to figure it out.
I got it. It's okay.
All right, go ahead and go after this truck. Go. Yeah, stay in your lane.
I'm panicking.
Why? You drove this area this way?
I'm fine, but I'm just panicking per usual.
You do panic for no reason.
But I'm okay.
And then you don't listen. I'm like, well, you just listened to me. You've always been that way though, where you panic and I have to like shake you to get you to stop. Because you just get manic. Shut up. Like, calm the fuck down. My God. Well, they don't have no fish at the second store either, so we've abandoned fish for now. We're going to go look at cats. I already see some. Oh, he's so cute. His name's Artemis. They have all black cats right now. Duchess. Look how pretty she is.
And Cyrus.
And Cyrus. Hi, baby. Oh, he's like, get me out of here. It makes us sad to see all the cats. But there's only 3, so hopefully they'll get adopted quickly. Cyrus is gorgeous. Look at him. Look at this little fluffy head. Third store was a charm. We finally found some damn fish. Show the fish. Show the fish.
Baby toe beans. Oh.
Can we even see them in there? Oh, there they are. All that for fish, but now we're looking at more cats. And they're so cute. Look at these precious babies. He looks like our Jackson. He's so cute. What'd you say, Zay?
I need more cats. She was not enough. Look at those. Look at those.
Oh, those are cute.
It's a clam. Who would love that?
Okay, so we made it home. We didn't really do anything else. We went to the grocery store and stopped and seen my husband, which I couldn't record in there because, you know, there's people in there that don't like all that. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and make dinner. So I am making enchiladas. I'm getting ready to use my pressure cooker again. If you guys, do any of you guys have pressure cookers? And if so, are you terrified every fucking time you use it? Because I am terrified every time I use this pressure cooker. I think because I've heard people saying like stories that it blows up and stuff, so it freaks me out. And then releasing the pressure is scary, but it makes amazing food. And the chicken, every time I put chicken in there, it's been amazing. So yeah, I'm gonna cook the chicken in there for the enchiladas. And yeah, so if you guys are scared of your pressure cooker like I am, then comment below. Since this is sort of a short day, we didn't really do a whole lot. I may go ahead and film us tomorrow. We're supposed to go to Victoria's Secret. I got Xavier some new bras and they don't fit. They're a little too small. So, you know, with her new boobie situation, we're trying to figure out what her size is. So I may take you guys along tomorrow, go record us doing that. But yeah, that's about it. I don't really do a whole lot. It's not really, you know. We don't have a life. Yeah, like she said, we don't really have a life. I work and come home and that's it.